Hi guys, this is Yogi Cameron and this is Inspire Living. Now I'm going to take you through the 6 tastes on your tongue because these really affect your health and you may not be aware of it. So you're eating different foods, you're eating sweet foods, sour foods, bitter foods, but you're also taking astringent foods, salty foods, and there's many other ones, pungent foods. So these 6 tastes all together are in varieties of foods. So say onions are more pungent, or radishes are pungent as well. Then sweets, the sweet taste is very obvious, it's in all kinds of things. And then the salty taste is obvious. But then you have the bitter taste. The bitter taste really helps to cleanse the body. That's why things that are detoxifying and cleansing usually have a bitter taste. Now, how does all this affect your health? From the Ayurvedic standpoint of view, you are a mixture of elements. Elements are called doshas. Now within your body, all of the doshas, the 3 of them are going up and down, and that's to do with the state of your body and your health. Now when you eat something of a certain taste, it affects a certain dosha, an element. So it either brings it down or it takes it up. Now let's start with kapha dosha, the element of earth. Now, if you're more earthy, right, a little bit stockier, heavier, and you have more earth within you, then tastes like sweet taste, the salty taste, and the sour taste, you won't do as well with. That builds more kapha. You'll do well with the astringent taste, the bitter taste, and the pungent, because they're a little bit more hotter. They help you get rid of kapha rather than accumulate it. So you know that if you eat more sweets, you accumulate more earth energy. So you've already experienced that. Now, if you have more predominance of fire in your body, then the sweet taste will cool you down. So it's the opposite than earth. It's actually the sweet taste is good for bringing down fire. But the salty and the sour taste bring up the fire. That's why we want to reduce sour taste and salty ones. And then we want to reduce pungent ones as well. Things like onions and radishes, because that also brings up the fire. But the bitter and the astringent are cooling to the system. Now if you have a predominance more of vata energy, of the air element, then you want to be sticking more to the sweet taste, the salty taste, and the sour taste, which are better for you. And the pungent, astringent, and the bitter are not as great for you. So this is how to start to see how you can use the 6 tastes. And the 6 tastes are on your tongue, and that's how you're tasting all the foods. So one thing is what elements are in the food itself and what taste they have, and then what effect they have according to what dosha and element type you are. So look a little bit more deeply into it. Watch the video again because it can get a little complicated. But once you start to understand which foods are what and how those tastes affect the different elements, you're on your way to becoming even more healthy. Namaste, take good care.